Rekha, they have not responded in the chat box also.
I think so. The person was not here.
They are not available, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, Reena ma'am, what shall
Yes,
we do?
ma'am.
Should we wait? Because this is the last presentation.
So,
They unfortunately, they are not present right now. Shall we end this session?
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. We can conclude the session. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. We would like to hear a few words from you about the topic and about the presenters, all the presentations. And I also request you to announce the best paper, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. A big thank you to the organizers as well as the participants. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers for organizing a very useful online conference on the waste management and its reduction. And then I would like to move on to the participants. Many of the participants presented their views on how to manage these solid waste as well as all kind, not just solid waste. There were some presentations on e-waste and some textile waste management. These were all very informative to me, and I really enjoyed being here in the session and chairing the session. And I would like to tell that there are many other new technologies which have come in terms of managing the solid waste, like which I was expecting to hear, which I think we people have to update about it as because in every presentation, after the presentation, it was said that we need to take care of the environment. So for taking care of the environment, the starting is from home, definitely. But till the end, we should know what all are the latest technologies which is being used and is applied in the environment to save the environment. I personally liked Dr. Pampi Ghosh's presentation a lot because of her the device that she has generated, and it has yielded her a lot of product also, and it looked very applied, very much applied. I also liked Vijay Lakshmi madam's presentation, which was a very deep information about the various strategies which are applied for the conclusion. For making an effort to stop the waste. Segregation. To waste management, and yes, then there was Shiva Prakash sir. He gave a very detailed information about the statistics of waste which is being produced over the previous years. So personally, if you ask me, I would like Dr. Pampi Ghosh. I would like to say that Dr. Pampi Ghosh's presentation was the best because it was more applied, and the device was being shown in the presentation, and the yield that it has yielded, how much in contribution towards remediation of waste. So yeah, that's my opinion about it. Thank you once again to the organizers for inviting me to chairing the session, and thank you for making me present my own views about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure.
Sandhya? Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for rendering your valuable time and thoughts. Really, it's a privilege and pleased to have such a knowledgeable person amidst us today. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
There is a small instruction for the participants. Kindly join us for the valedictory session by 2:30 p.m. in the same link. Yes, Sandhya, you can also proceed.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to Dr. Pampi Ghosh for your being selected as the best paper. And now I request Rekha to come forward to give the vote of thanks. And thank you once again.
Thank you, Sandhya. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this occasion to all assembled here. On behalf of our institution, Dr. MGR Education and Research, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Reena Das, who honored this function and spared her valuable time to be with us. I would like to thank our beloved principals, staff members, students, and all the participants from outside for spending time with us. Everyone should have an opportunity to learn in a positive environment, to enjoy the learning process, and feel comfortable and content within it. Thank you, one and all, for all the enthusiastic participation. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Please join us for the valedictory function on the same link.
Thank you, participants.